Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Acorn Easy Press pen. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Carefully unbox your pen and confirm all parts are included. Next, insert two AAA batteries into the battery compartment, paying attention to the polarity. Finally, select the appropriate tip for your project and firmly attach it to the pen's tip. This ensures a secure connection for optimal performance. Now, let's cover the basic operation of your Easy Press pen. To power it on, simply press and hold the main power button for about 3 seconds until the display illuminates. You can then adjust the temperature to your desired setting using the intuitive up and down arrow buttons. Once the pen reaches the set temperature, the indicator light will turn a solid green, letting you know it's ready for use. When using your Easy Press pen for projects, remember a few key tips for best results. Apply gentle, consistent pressure as you work, allowing the heat to transfer effectively. Move the pen slowly and steadily across your material, ensuring even heat distribution. For optimal adhesion and safety, always allow your pressed materials to cool down completely before attempting to peel or handle them. This prevents damage and ensures a strong bond. Proper care and storage will extend the life of your Acorn Easy Press pen. After each use, gently wipe the pen tip with a soft, dry cloth to remove any residue. Always ensure the pen is completely cool to the touch before storing it. Keep your pen in its original packaging or a dedicated protective case to prevent damage and keep all accessories organized. This simple routine helps maintain its performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.